So, for Trolley, we start with an apple pie. Over the top is a brown sugar diplomat cream, a little bit of tonka bean, and oxalis. Here we have a brown cheese cookie, Arctic raspberry, and toasted meringue. On this plate, we have cloudberry mango and an espelette pepper gelée. These here are a black garlic fudge, the shape of a clove of garlic, and on the bottom is a yuzu powder. Our walnut, with of course walnut, and sep mushroom ganache. White chocolate with rhubarb and pumpkin seed praline. Dark chocolate with pig's blood and lingonberry. The green macaroon has pistachio, miso, and dried apricot. Purple is beet